Hi, it's Kate with WTI, and if you find yourself not enjoying summer to the fullest because of all the bugs, you need to get yourself one of these gorgeous screen tents from Eagle Peak. Now, this particular one is an 11 by 11 foot. It's really a great, generous size. We had a large amount of friends over the weekend. We had 10 people in here very comfortably. Everybody had a seat around our little fire pit, and we absolutely loved being able to be outside, but not be attacked by mosquitoes or whatever bugs are out here. The great thing about this particular screen tent is it is portable. So if you go camping for the weekend and you would like a little shelter, it's very easy to set up. The frame itself is all in one piece, and then you have a few pieces of canvas and screen to attach, but very simple to do just by following the instructions. You also have the option to open up the screen tent and tie it to the sides if you want to be fully exposed. I personally love having them zip closed. They open and close very easily, but it's my favorite part, being able to enjoy the outdoors while also being protected. It's also great if it starts to rain, you have a little bit of a shelter. The ceiling has nice ventilation, so there's great airflow. It comes in several different colors and several different sizes, but the quality is fantastic. We are so pleased with this. We currently have it in our backyard, but it can absolutely be used wherever you want, and that's my point of view.